Uziza leaf. Mr. Harvard, do you know what is used?
Come on, show Uziza leaf. These are local leaf from Nigeria, from Africa. So it's nutritious. I've assessed it. It's nutritious. So we add it to the menu because Africa has a lot of nutritious materials. You get the point now. You know, so no beef. It's approved. It's got real nutrients and they are all safe. Okay. Welcome back. So we've gathered the condiments. I'll hand over to my deputy. To continue.
Is there a we?
We gathered the condiment together. Now let me hand over to my not my superior but my subordinate.
I thought you said you're the one
to continue
you came to teach.
You are relearning. Madam, please, what you have learned today in this kitchen, you are not even grateful yet.
Which learn? What have I
learned?
People
recommended you to the national body for the assessment so that they can.
You said you're coming
you UK standard assessment.
Teach me how to cook, and I'm ending up being the one teaching you. And you're saying
you taught me. What did you teach me? You teach me something. I had to remove it from my brain before you will spoil my certificate.
Hi, audience, please. This is what we are going to use. We are our okra, our ugu, the uziza leaf, and our stock with our ogbono that is already blended and red oil. Then the stock has pepper and onions and everything inside. Okay, so let's just watch me. Don't listen to Mr. Ikidemi. Okay. So we have our pots. Then I'm doing the frying method. There are different ways of. Oh dear Lord, see his eyes. Are you sure you know how to cook?
I want to assess this thing you are doing because
there are different.
If you make mistakes, I'm not gonna be happy.
There are different methods of making.
I'm not gonna be happy with you.
They have the boiling method. Okay, which method are you doing?
Continue, man. Continue. Continue. You are getting it so far.
You are getting it so far. Yes. With this your suit.
Yes, you are getting it so far.
So I'm
a bit impressed.
Method. So I will. This is the pot.
Yes.
You add the red oil on it.
Maybe impressed. Okay. You have nice, nutritious stuff.
Yeah,
so
okra soup is
I'm impressed, and I'm going to recommend you. Just don't worry.
Because we have a lot of vegetables inside. You allow the oil to heat up a bit. Like I said, this is the frying method. The boiling method, you just put everything in your stock. As a supervisor.
Let me get my pen.
So that as a supervisor.
Oh, only my glasses is here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let me use it so that I can see very well.
Oh my God. This your glasses is called Mr. Bankrovich. Please, this is the one I added obey. What is it? Locust grease? No, that's not the locust grease. This obono and crayfish in it.
That's fine.
I'm going to go it inside the pot.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
We stir it for a while.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Okay. If you like, be happy or not.
It means the standards. It means you have a standard.
Like, be happy or not. That's what I'm cooking. As if they finish cooking it, you know.
If you finish cooking this food and you don't meet the standard, I'm gonna make sure the authorities take out this food and
you will not eat it. You will not eat.
I'm not here to eat food. I'm here to make sure that your kitchen is doing very well.
Okay.
So please don't make me to change my mind.
Okay. So I'll just stand for a while.
I came here to criticize your work and make sure that you are getting it.
I'm teaching people how to cook.
Sorry, our viewers. Please, I need to do the right thing. Don't be angry. Yes.
Yeah. So this okay. I'll go in with the stock. Yeah, we have your meat and everything.
That poultry is fine. The meat is fine. The poultry is fine.
The poultry is fine.
Yeah, I think it's fine. You need to bring it closer so our viewers at home will actually be able to relate to what we are doing.
Then you allow it to boil for a while. And as it's boiling, the ogbono in it will thicken. I'm going to add water, but I need it to boil for some time before I add water in it.